Hey there, welcome to the Did You Know segment of my expert eBay tips for successful selling. In this segment, I'll share valuable tips and tricks that you may not know about to help you sell successfully on eBay. Today's tip is all about how asking for more can get you more. Did you know that asking for more money on eBay can actually increase your chances of getting a higher sale price? Many sellers are afraid to ask for more money than they think their item is worth, but this can be a mistake. In fact, asking for a higher price can signal to buyers that your item is more valuable and can lead to a higher sale price. One way to ask for more is to start by listing your item at a higher price than you think it's worth. This can give you some wiggle room to negotiate with potential buyers and can help you get a higher final sale price. Another approach is to use eBay's best offer feature to invite buyers to make an offer on your item. When you receive an offer, don't be afraid to counter with a higher price. This can signal to the buyer that you value your item more highly and can lead to a higher sale price. Of course, it's important to be realistic about the value of your item and to do your research to ensure that you're not asking for an unreasonable price. But don't be afraid to ask for more. It could lead to a higher sale price and more money in your pocket. Here are some tips to keep in mind when asking for more money on eBay. 1. Highlight the unique value of your item. Be sure to emphasize what makes your item unique and valuable in your listing. This can include features, rarity, condition, and any other details that make your item stand out from the competition. 2. Research comparable sales. Look at recent sales of similar items on eBay to get an idea of what they sold for. This can give you a baseline for setting your price and can help you make a compelling case for why your item is worth more. 3. Be willing to negotiate. Remember that buyers may be willing to pay more for an item they really want, but they may also expect to negotiate with you. Be open to offers and counteroffers, and be willing to find a price that works for both you and the buyer. 4. Be confident. Asking for more money can be intimidating, but remember that you are in control of the sale. Be confident in the value of your item and in your ability to negotiate a fair price. By following these tips and asking for more money on eBay, you can increase your chances of getting a higher sale price and maximizing your profits. Asking for a higher price on eBay can significantly increase your chances of securing a higher sale price. I established the DC metro area eBay Amazon Sellers Meetup group back in 2013, which continued until 2017. During our meetings, I often showcased various items I sold on eBay, where I obtained significantly higher prices than other sellers selling the same item. I would ask, why did my item get a much higher price than another seller offering the exact same product? While attendees would offer different explanations, the actual answer was quite simple. I asked for more. I never hesitated to set my prices at a higher range, aiming to maximize my returns. I'm not a fast nickel seller. I'm more of a slow dime seller. I don't mind waiting a little while for my item to sell, and that's the key. If you're willing to wait and not rush to sell your item, you can afford to ask for more and potentially get a higher sale price. It happens all the time for me. Sometimes I don't wait very long, but I may notice I have more photos, and my photos are higher quality, which can make a difference too. Remember that creating a compelling eBay listing is essential to getting a higher sale price. There are a few key elements to keep in mind. Here are some tips for creating a listing that will make a strong first impression on potential buyers. 1. Use high-quality photos. Photos are crucial to creating a compelling listing. Buyers want to see the item they are considering purchasing, and the quality and quantity of your photos can impact their decision. Using high-quality photos that show multiple angles and details of the item can help potential buyers feel confident in their purchase. In this example, there were noticeable differences between the two camera photos. The photo of the camera on the left appeared blurry, and it lacked the recommended white background that eBay suggests for product images. As a result, it sold for a significantly lower price. It's highly likely that the quality of the images played a role in the discrepancy in prices. Add up to 24 photos and make sure your best photo is your main photo. Also, You can add a video to show details. I use videos to demonstrate music from a music box or show that a vintage electronic item works. 2. Write a detailed description. Along with photos, your item description is essential to your eBay listing. Be sure to write a detailed description that includes the item's condition, features, and any unique qualities. Include eBay item specifics such as brand, type, style, color, size, and so on. Use descriptive language and be specific to give potential buyers a clear idea of what they can expect from the item. 3. Highlight the value. When creating your item description, be sure to highlight the value of the item. This could include any special features, the rarity of the item, or the quality of the materials used. By highlighting what makes your item unique or valuable, you can help justify a higher asking price. 4. Use keywords. When creating your listing, be sure to use keywords that potential buyers might use when searching for your item. This will help your item show up in search results and increase its visibility. 5. Be honest and transparent. Finally, it's essential to be honest and transparent in your listing. Being honest about the item's condition can help establish trust with potential buyers and increase the likelihood of a sale. If there are any flaws, damage, or repairs to the item, be sure to disclose them in your listing. By following these tips and creating a visually appealing, informative, and transparent listing, you can increase your chances of getting a higher sale price on eBay. Doing your research before listing an item on eBay is very important. So, the next time you list an item on eBay, don't be afraid to ask for more. Highlight the unique value of your item, research comparable sales, be willing to negotiate, and be confident in the value of your item. When I research comparable sales, I look at what sold and sort by the highest price. Some sellers look at recent sales, which may not be a good indication of what an item can sell for. There are several reasons that recent sales may not be a good indication of what something can sell for. Number 1, a seller may have no experience in selling on eBay and may not have done any research. Number 2, a seller wants to get rid of everything quickly, so they lowered their selling price. Number 3, the item may have sold at auction, where the seller started the item at a very low price and did not get many bidders. And number 4, a seller prices their item according to the sold items eBay or TerraPeak suggest when they are listing the item. In conclusion, by asking for more money on eBay and following the tips we discussed, you can significantly increase your chances of getting a higher sale price and maximizing your profits. Don't be afraid to set your prices higher, highlight the unique value of your items, and create compelling listings with high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. Remember, success on eBay comes with confidence, patience, and a willingness to negotiate. I hope this video has provided valuable insights and strategies to help you succeed as a seller. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on eBay. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more eBay selling and couples working together tips. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching.